Hi, I'm Brad.
And I'm Diana, and we are It's About Time Now, and we're going to take you to Lakes Park. All right, hello everybody. We're excited to show you Lakes Park. It's a beautiful regional park here in Fort Myers, Florida, but it rained this morning, which is highly unusual. So now everything is all gray. The upside of that is the temperature is down, so that's a plus. The park is open for the trails. The park has about 300 acres of ground and 2.5 miles of trails, which are open, but the playgrounds are closed right now.
Probably one of the nicest features of this park is the 8th scale model railroad that runs through it, that is approximately a mile long, and you can actually purchase tickets and ride the train through the park. Of course, it's not running today. It's raining on top of other things, and of course we do have the COVID still, but we've done this train many times and it's a whole lot of fun.
All right, so you know we love static displays, and this locomotive 143 was actually built in 1905.
Fort Myers was a major offload area or outload area for cattle back in the day, and the railroad ran right through this property up to Punta Rasa, where it was loaded onto barges and carried to Cuba.
So you know, with the name of Lakes Park, there had to be a lake. Wow, what a difference a day makes. We came out to Lakes Park yesterday. Gray, rainy day, but today the sun is shining, so we are back again. So I wanted to come out and show everyone just how pretty Lakes Park is. There is plenty of picnic areas and 2 very nice playgrounds and 2 very nice splash parks. You can rent bikes here, you can rent boats here. There's the train museum. Bikes for rent. Playground. And the main thing is a train in the playground. Alright everybody, we're still at Lakes Park and we're going to do mail call. So the first one we're opening up is from 2 restless retirees, and that is from Derek and Peggy. So you show them the sticker. And there's a note, it says, "Take care and safe travels when it's safe." You bet. All right, thank you. Ooh, this is Susan from New Horizons. Awesome. And there's a card. It's about time now. Thank you so much for being so supportive of me and my channel. It's really appreciated. Awesome. You do have a really good channel, Susan. Thank you so much for all you do. Oh, this is from Outdoor Staycations. It was really nice to meet you up in Tampa. And hold on a second. Your sticker hit the deck. but here it is. Very, very cool. Thank you. I love your stationery too. All right, and the last one is Sean and Angie and your little dog Jazz. And of course, that is our Vision Nomadic Living. So let's see what you sent us. Ooh, nice card. Show them that. Brad, Diana, we really appreciate your interest and support. Thanks for your service. That's for you. Enjoy seeing your adventures. See you down the road.
So this is part of our exploring our own backyard. Lakes Park is a beautiful park and is well used normally. It's a wonderful place to come. Hopefully not too much longer. We'll be able to get beyond this COVID and see these parks come back to
life. Have people come back and enjoy it.
That's it, come back to life. That's a good word. We had cabin fever and had to get out. Even though it's a little bit rainy today, we said, no, we're going somewhere. So we came out here to shoot this video for you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We thank you for watching and see you next time.